Hi there, I'm Lillian Larty from I Want My Body Back, and in today's video I've come to talk to you about sciatica. Have I broken my back and can it be fixed? Now this might sound like a silly question, but I come across so many people who have sciatic pain and they say to me, it's debilitating, it's excruciating pain, it feels like I've broken my back, can it be fixed? And I remember when I damaged my sciatic nerve, and it was excruciating and it did feel debilitating because I couldn't walk. Every little movement that I made, the pain would just shoot through from my lower back, down my glutes, into my leg. It was horrible. And so I'm not surprised when I come across people and they say to me, I don't know what I've done to my back, but these are the symptoms, and they describe it to me and I know, yeah, it's sciatic pain. And for me, I damaged mine, unfortunately, by rolling in the air, doing an exercise where I rolled in the air and I landed on my lower back. This was many years ago, and bruised my sciatic nerve. Went to the doctors, hobbled to the doctors, and was told, right, well, you know, you haven't broken your back, hurrah, but take some painkillers and it will ease itself out. I mean, at the time, this was prior to me being a remedial therapist. I didn't know what sciatic pain was. I didn't even know what I'd done to my back. I didn't know how to treat it. But thankfully, I'm in a better position to know now. So what is sciatic pain? Well, basically, you've got a nerve which runs down from your lower back, the lumbar area, as well as the sacrum area. And that nerve runs down like a thread. So it runs down across or underneath the gluteal muscles and runs down through the back of the leg, down into the calf, into the toes. So for some people, symptoms can be numbness. They can get like a pinching sensation. It can feel really sore. It can be really debilitating, restrict movement. Sometimes people get a lot of cramps as well. Now, this is simply because when the sciatic nerve has been traumatized or hurt or bruised in some way, it becomes inflamed, and then it starts irritating the muscles that surround it, which causes all that terrible pain and the dysfunction of that area. So it can be down one side if you've bruised a sciatic nerve on one side. If you've bruised it on both sides, well then, you know, both sides are going to be affected as well. So yes, if you're going to go and get treatment for your sciatic pain, definitely make sure you get it done by a professional, whether it's your doctor, whether it's an osteopath, a physiotherapist, or a chiropractor, to get the right diagnosis, and also know what the root cause is of that sciatic pain. Now, like I said, for me, it was because I did an exercise where I rolled in the air and landed on my back. Don't recommend doing that. But for others in this day and age where we're sitting down a lot, that can be a culprit for sciatic pain, where your spine actually compresses, so it presses down against the sciatic nerve. For others, it can be because of a slip disc or a prolapse disc, as it's also known as. Could be because you've got tight gluteal muscles, you've got tight back muscles as well. That can also trigger sciatic pain as well, or you've had some type of trauma or accident to the spinal area. So always know what the root cause is before you can then know what your treatment is. Now, for some, it's going to see an osteopath or chiropractor or a physiotherapist to get some treatment. For me, I treated mine through doing lots of stretching, functional movement. I remember going to see a chiropractor for some time, which helped a lot. But I combined that with the stretching exercises at the time and functional movement. You can also incorporate Pilates exercises as well, but always go to someone who knows what they're doing when it comes to sciatic pain. All right. So if you have trouble in this area, go and seek help. Okay. And then let me know how you get on. To receive more video tips like this and my weekly e-zine, simply email me at info@iwantmybodyback.co.uk, where I can help you get rid of your back, neck, shoulder and hip pain, also help you to feel more energized in your body and to get a better body as well. And you can also subscribe to these videos on my weekly e-zine. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.